Welcome to this lesson on carbon fixation, one of the most crucial processes in photosynthesis. Carbon fixation is the process of incorporating carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into organic molecules. This is the step where inorganic carbon becomes part of the living world, and it's essential for all life on Earth. Let's define carbon fixation more precisely. Carbon fixation is the process of converting inorganic carbon dioxide, which is a gas in the atmosphere, into organic compounds that can be used by living organisms. Think of it as transforming simple carbon dioxide molecules into the building blocks of life, like sugars and other carbon-based molecules that cells can use for energy and growth. The star of carbon fixation is an enzyme called RuBisCO, spelled RuBisCO. This is short for ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Don't worry too much about the long name. Just remember RuBisCO. This enzyme is absolutely critical for life on Earth, and you'll see why in a moment. Here are some fascinating facts about RuBisCO. First, it's the most abundant enzyme on Earth. There's more RuBisCO on our planet than any other enzyme. Second, it catalyzes the first major step of carbon fixation, which we'll explore shortly. Third, RuBisCO is located in the chloroplast stroma, the fluid-filled space inside chloroplasts. Finally, it's a relatively slow enzyme, but plants compensate for this by producing enormous amounts of it. Now let's look at the actual fixation reaction. Carbon dioxide combines with a molecule called RuBP, which stands for ribulose bisphosphate. RuBisCO catalyzes this reaction. The result is two molecules of 3-PGA, which stands for 3-phosphoglycerate. This is the key moment where atmospheric carbon dioxide becomes part of an organic molecule. Let's break down the key molecules involved. RuBP, or ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, is a 5-carbon sugar that acts as the carbon dioxide acceptor. 3-PGA, or 3-phosphoglycerate, is a 3-carbon compound that results from the fixation reaction. Notice that one 5-carbon molecule plus 1 carbon from carbon dioxide gives us two 3-carbon molecules. The math works out perfectly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, carbon dioxide enters the chloroplast stroma from the surrounding environment. Second, the enzyme RuBisCO catalyzes the attachment of carbon dioxide to RuBP. Third, an unstable 6-carbon intermediate forms briefly. Fourth, this unstable intermediate immediately splits into two molecules of 3-PGA. This entire process happens very quickly and continuously during photosynthesis. Why does carbon fixation matter so much? Carbon fixation is the gateway for carbon to enter the biological world. It's the critical step that converts atmospheric carbon dioxide into organic molecules that fuel all life on Earth. Without this process, there would be no way for plants to capture carbon from the air, and without plants doing this, there would be no food chain, no oxygen production, and no life as we know it. Carbon fixation truly is the foundation of life on our planet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.